Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your Motorola Razr Fold screen not responding. As you can see, well, mine does respond, but if yours doesn't matter if it's the outer screen or the inner screen. If either or none of these just stop responding, then you can perform a so-called force restart. To do it, you'll need to find the power button, which is this one, of course, and then you'll start pressing and holding on it. It'll activate Gemini, so it will start listening, but just keep pressing and just don't mind the Gemini listening, because as you keep on pressing, the screen will turn off after a moment, and then you can release the button and wait for the phone to turn on again. And that should fix your issue. If it didn't, then there's probably some deeper issue. Also look if both of the screens stop responding or just one. If just one, then probably needs to be repaired. Yeah, but in case none of these respond, then you may also want to try to perform a factory reset through recovery, and there is a video about that on the channel. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.